I'm going to show you how to add sound effects to your video. So sound effects are they are one of the things that you can add to your video to make it more engaging. It just gives life to certain things in your video. You can add sound effects to the beginning of your video. You can add sound effects to animations that you add to your video, like the zoom in and zoom out. You can add sound effects to it. You can add sound effects to transitions in your videos and also to text to your videos. You know, when you animate your text, you can add sound effects to them. I'm going to show you how to do this. First is the eraser. To add a sound effect, let's just get started. You come here, click on audio. No, that was a mistake. You click on audio, see sound effects. Click on sound effects and it brings you here. Here are lots of sound effects that you can choose from to add to your video. But I'm going to share with you the most popular ones and show you how to add them. So first is riser. Let me type riser. Come and search for the one you want. Riser. This one creates curiosity and you can add it at the beginning of your video when you're talking about your title, when you're talking about your video or your hook. Let me play them. This is it. I prefer this one. This is the most popular, so I'll click on it. So select the one you want and then click on this plus sign. Also, you can save it by just tapping on this icon right here to save this one. Oh, let me cancel this. I need to go back. So you will find, let me cancel this. When you click on the search, you will find the things that you have searched for. You will find the sound effects that you have searched for recently. So you can just come and click on it if that's the one you want again. Quick break. If you need a video editor to take away the stress of editing from you so you can focus on creating and showing up for your community. Hi, I'm that video editor and I have lots of packages with offers you cannot resist. Just click on the link in the description or the link in the pinned post to see the different packages I offer. Select your preferred package and let's get started. So once you've chosen your sound effects, just click on the plus sign and it brings it to your video. So you can drag it to where you want it to be. Also make sure you reduce it because we don't want our sound effects in any way competing or distracting our audience. We don't want it too loud that our audience cannot hear what we're saying. Expensive camera to create high quality videos. And I'm going to prove that to you in this video. I'm going to show you. Okay, so that is the riser. Next we have transition. So I'm going to go to where we added our transition and show you here. Let's dive in. Step number 1. Okay, so for this is a transition, and for this is a camera shutter. So with time you will get used to it. Okay, so for me, because I've done this so many times, I know the sound effect that I can add to certain places. So for this, the best one for it is kind of like the camera. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, but let's go. Camera. This is shutter. Let me tap on shutter. Okay, this is also good, but I'll go with the shutter. So just tap on it and make sure you keep it. Make sure that the sound effect is added perfectly. The sound effect should not come before the action. That won't make sense. It's just like you want to add a pop sound effect and then the sound effect have already popped. Meanwhile, you've not seen what is supposed to pop out. Do you get? All right, so make sure you need to listen to it to make sure it's in alignment with the action. All right. Step number 1. You can see that it was perfect. Step number 1 is. So just see this with the sound effect and without the sound effect. It's better to add it because it just gives the action life. Okay, let's play it again. Step number 1 is very. All right, so that's the first sound effect, and you don't have to add. Make sure that you look at the action, and the sound effects should be in alignment with the action. It should be. Don't add a sound effect. It's just like adding a riser to this place when I'm supposed to add something different, it won't make sense. All right, so this is the second one. Let's go to sound effects. I would like to add a shorter but another type for it. Let me play it. Something like this. Let me try this. No. Oh, let's try this one. So let's play it to be sure it makes sense.
Stick around. Step number 3.
You can see that it does make sense. All right, so this is the second one. Let me show you how to add it to your text. So here I said just your phone, and I added text to add emphasis to what I said. So instead of just making the text come out like this, we're going to add a pop sound. And here's how we can do it. You go to audio, click on sound effects, and then just come here. You can see I used the pop before, so just tap on it and go through the ones we want. No, I like this one, but let's try. No. We're supposed to have a better pop sound. But this is okay, so I'll click on it, this one. Let's play it and see.
Your phone. Your phone. This video.
So you can see it came in perfectly. Let's play it again.
Your phone. This video is going to have fun.
So this is how to add the pop sound in your text. Another one is the typewriter. That's another very popular one, and I'm going to show you how to add it. So here it says step number 2 is your background. So let me just play it.
Step number 2 is your background.
Okay, so first things first, I've added the text, as you can see. So I'll come here, click on style, go to animation, and click on the typewriter. Click on the typewriter. And see, it's just empty.
So is your background.
But to make it come to life, we're going to add a typewriting sound effect. To do that, we'll go back to audio, click on sound effects, click on the search, and you can see one of the trending sounds searches is the typewriting, the typing. So we'll just play it. Okay, so I'll go with this typing. Tap on it. Make sure it starts where there are some sound effects that doesn't start immediately. So you need to play it to know if it's in alignment.
So is your background.
No. So we need to drag it a bit. This is the text. This is the line of the text.
But so is your background.
Okay, so you can see it now starts at the same time, but you need to drag it to make sure that you can see where it wrote the last word, which is the D. That is where your sound should stop, because there's no point the sound is still coming in. Meanwhile, I'm saying something different. As you can see, it's very long. So we need to drag it. You can either split it and delete, or just trim it by dragging it from the end to make sure it stops at the same time with the word. So we'll drag it, stop it here, and let's play it again.
Number 2 is your background.
You can see. So this is how to add sound effects to your video. There are lots of sound effects that you can add. There just lots of them. Just keep watching videos. The thing is, the more you watch videos, the more you learn the kind of sound effects and how to add them. To get better at editing, you need to watch videos and not just watch them for fun. Pay attention to the things that you're seeing. That will help you, and practice. Pay attention and then practice, and it will help you improve your skills. So with time, you'll get used to all the sound effects that you can add. Even I don't even know all the sound effects. I keep learning daily. Okay, so keep learning and trying them out. Click on this video right here to learn how to add background music to your video the right way. I'll see you there. And remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.